Hello and welcome to jaydrowingschool.com. My name is Jayashree Somaya and my driving school's name is Jay's A-1 Driving School. Today we'll see the next topic from the test paper. Now we'll see the next point, satisfactorily operating car controls, clutch, gears, brakes, steering wheel, accelerator, etc. Now let's see what does that mean, satisfactorily operating the car controls. Now what are the car controls? Clutch. So when you go for the test in a manual car, you should know how to operate the clutch. You cannot ride on clutch for longer time. Another thing, when you're stopping somewhere to give way or at red light, and when you have to start off, you cannot stall. You have to be good at operating the clutch. Then gears. I have noticed some learners, suppose they are in reverse, and after reversing, if they want to go in drive, by mistake they push their gear into park instead of going into drive. So that's a mistake. So you have to look down when you're changing gears. Some people are so quick that without thinking they change the gear and they go in the wrong gear. So, and then they realize and change the gear. So that is a mistake. So you have to look down. If you're not sure, then look down while changing gear. Look at the gears and change the gears. That's what I mean by look down. So don't rush. Otherwise, those are small mistakes, but you will be losing your marks, because at the end of the test, you have to get over 90 plus percentage. If it is, because these small mistakes make you to lose your marks and your percentage eventually drops below 90. Even though you haven't committed any fail items, still you do fail. So be careful. So whenever you're changing the gears, you must look at the gears and change the gears. Then brakes. Some people have habit of braking at the last moment. That is not good. If they do sudden braking, what happens is they are creating dangerous situation from their back, which they don't know. So sudden braking is not accepted in the test. So be careful, always do gradual braking and earlier braking. So like 20 meters before start, braking smoothly. So when you come to stop, there is no jerk at all. And when you are braking earlier and smoothly and gradually, the back driver, your brake lights will come on, and your back driver will come to know that you are braking for some reason, and you may come to stop. So he will get ready to stop behind you. He will also start braking and get away from you. So that's what they will be expecting you, not to do sudden braking. Then steering wheel. In steering wheel, some learners I have seen, they don't know where to turn their wheels, especially when they are reversing. So you should know when you go for your test that if you are doing reverse parking, where to turn your wheels, especially in reverse gear. When they are doing reverse parking, they don't know where to turn their wheels. So it's very important to understand that, and that's what I have explained in my reverse parking episode. So you must see my reverse parking video in my theory as well as in my practical reverse parking videos. So please watch it so you will know. Accelerator pedal, how to use your accelerator pedal. Always smooth acceleration. Smoothly pick up the speed, not suddenly pick up the speed. So these are the things you have to be careful about. So smooth pick up the speed and smooth braking. It's very important. And not only in the test, even after you get the license, that's how you should be driving. So that's what it is, satisfactorily operating car controls. I hope you have understood well. Thank you. Please like my videos, share them, and subscribe to my channel. And please keep on telling others also, so they can also benefit. And when you subscribe to my channel, whenever I put the new videos, you will be the first person to see my videos. Thank you.